Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening, yet another box for Murders at Karlov Manor. Because I can. And because I don't think the set is as garbage as other people do. This is of course not rating the draftability of the set, because that doesn't make sense to rate that for the openings that I'm doing here. So let's see what we get. I mean, what really helps the monetary value is having the full cycle of surveillance in here. Let's see if we get any of those. Oh, we start off with the invisible ink in Incinerator of the Guilty. Not the best one. Also, the ink is kinda meh. It's basically just two claw prints. Is that what you call them? And then we are starting off with money, a thundering falls, an otherworldly escort, connecting the dots, and a cryptic code. And that's it here. Just seeing if we have maybe a slime. But we don't. On to the next pack we go. With a drag the canal, a Delny Streetwise Lookout, which is also a money card. Very nice. A ransom note, Unyielding Gatekeeper, an Isoni Center of the Web. I actually have a commander deck around him. Pretty cool. In the late game you go through your whole deck and don't find an answer because you forgot to include one in your deck. That definitely never happened. On to pack number 3. Let's see what we get. We get money again. Undercity Sewers. We have a Callan Inquisitive Prodigy, an Immortal Obligation, Proft's Eidetic Memory. For those who like to play against Vivi, here's some PTSD. A Homicide Investigator, and that's it here as well. A few cool uncommons as well, like Insidious Roots. A pretty strong card in my opinion, especially for the mana cost. Pack number 4. Of course not in every deck, but yeah. We have a Nifmiset Guild Pact, a Krenko, Baron of Tin Street, Take the Bait for the commander slot, a Drag the Canal, Archdruid's Charm. That one's also pretty nice. Good to get. And then that should be it. No slime, no crime. On to pack number 5. Let's see what we get here. We have an Isoni Center of the Web in the... I don't know what it is. I accidentally said it's like a newspaper, but the newspaper treatment is in the cowboy set. It's like a... detective's notes or something. Then we have an Elegant Parlor. Lovely. An Eye of Duskmantle. An Outrageous Robbery, and a Raucous Theater in foil. It's also very nice that the lands are, of course, only rare and not mythic. Then we have one of the really good comments from here, Demand Answers. Yep. Not gonna go on how I think the set is perfectly acceptable, especially compared to some of the follow-up sets that they then had. But apparently everybody likes cowboys. We have Connecting the Dots. We have a Lasaf Bearer of Faces, a Hot Pursuit, Lost in the Maze, and then a Wojciech Investigator. And do we have a slime? No, only a pick your poison. On to pack number 7. Let's see what we get. We get a special guest. Ooh, that's lovely, the art. A crashing footfalls. Nice. Then we have a Kaya, Spirit's Justice, Unexplained Absence, a Lamplight Phoenix, and an Analyze the Pollen. And that should be it. And we have a slime, Against Humanity. Not worth much. That's still nice to have. On to the next pack. Pack number 8, I think. We have Reenact the Crime. A Thundering Falls. An extended art. A Final Word Phantom. Leyline of the Guild Pact, also money. A Coveted Falcon. And that should be it here. Which it is. On to the next pack. Let's see what's inside this one. No Witnesses. We have a Judith, who's also pretty popular, by the way, as a commander. We have Nelly Borka, the coolest commander, a Cryptic Code, and a Hedge Maze. Telling you, those lands, very nice, very good. Nothing else. 3 packs left to go. Let's see what we get. We get a Judith in foil. We get an Audience with Trostani, a Mob Verdict, No Witnesses, and a Doorkeeper Thrall. And that's probably it here. No slime. Second to last pack. We start off with an Audience with Trostani, a Raucous Theater, extended art, very nice, a Counterpoint, an Urgent Necropsy, Niv-Mizzet the Guild Pact, and that's it here. And then we're down to the last pack. And let's see what we get here. We get a clue. Clues have a backside, which is silly. We have a Coveted Falcon. We have an Homicide Investigator. We have a On the Trail, which is a very nice card from the commander decks. We have a Treacherous Greed and an Unstruck, the Quake Mole in foil. Lovely. Now you've done it. You made it through my Murders at Karlov Manor collector boxes. So look forward to next week, where there's gonna be some regular stuff again. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you in the next one.